How to sign out of Netflix on all devices. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Netflix application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on top of your screen, and in the menu that appears, tap on the account option you see there. Further, scroll down and under the Quick Links tab, you will see the option for Manage Access and Devices. Tap on that, and now in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to see all the signed in devices with this particular account. So scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for sign out of all devices. Tap on that, and in the confirmation that appears, tap on sign out again. And with this, your account will be signed out from all devices. So this is how you can sign out of all devices on Netflix. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.